Okay, we're back. KARRUBA, iti maudin na paset iti programa may number one. Adda kami Manen, kahit kadoy lata po ito mga yung June sa yala sigado with John Mark Pastor, operator. Ngarod kat ado una iti naliwaya mi apong messages. At dispensary nyo po no, aming mabasa amin talaga aming kabalan. Okay, kahit gorkata na pukaw. Po dito lang aro dikim ko tayo live nan mismo na pukawan. So once again, agyaman kami apo iti panang tarabayo kada kami iti last odd iti tuang nga oras kaya iti maudi nga oras mi apo. Ayan kada Noren Jane Verdadero Guting Manalo, Guting family po from Rugao, Ilagan, Isabela pa shout out ko na. And of course to Tita Patricia Padua Fronda. She's watching. Tata lang nga nakita nga nagbuya. So, good afternoon from the Philippines. Tita Patricia. Kadagiti so amin nga miyembros iti Padua family. Tita America. Tita San Francisco. And ayan. And Aya Layosa says here, hello po watching from Long Beach, California. Pa-shoutout po ni Papang Ken Mamang mi dita Ilocos Sur. So once again, good afternoon. Kaligati so amin na po mga kapagyan ni Aya Layosa. And of course to wakabsat Charity Lianes of Candon nga DJ itatamat ayan natatay di lugar na DJ American California mo lang, but I don't know the place. Nalipata mo tan. And to Charmel Lianes, good afternoon kada kayo ng duwa nga gina. Okay, and Irene Tulio Orcasas here. Hi po, watching from Hong Kong. So once again, good afternoon kada kita members apo iti for the Hong Kong chapter, and see you next month. Adita kami apo September 27 up to October 4. Ayan, to celebrate your our kuno kumata kasama kadwa kami may iti second year together. And Ace Denver Juarez, hello watching from Valenzuela. Hi po, pa shout out po ang family Juarez. And Elvin Ulep says here, good evening from Hawaii. Hener Viernes. Oh, and Cecil Bangoyna is also watching from Hong Kong.
Gawat family, pa shout out from Santiago. Nabasa mo yan? From Antonio Passion Gawat Jr.
Nasa baba na ako. Nasa Joy de la Cruz Soriano. Okay.
Sige tayo mga to. Hello po watching from Long Beach, California. Ay, nabasa mo yan. Ating good morning Manong. Kuna na. From Joy de la Cruz Soriano. Nga taga Villa Carmen, Porok 1.
Tatay pala bigat dito. So good morning. Good afternoon.
Hello from Rose Valentino. Bati man Matken Brian Mendoza nga buya idol from Kets Nakamaki.
Yes.
Yan. Hello gayom Eric Paul Galapon. Madama buya na tata. Kan birthday nan sa, happy birthday. Nyandam.
Who's Eric Paul?
Taga Ramon.
Okay.
Aja daw lang ti Suzuki Alto nga logan na.
Magpaisi ka tama mo kita ka urit talugan mo ngem sa kaputikin ato ti Innova di ka mo no.
Kinakaadod da nga naka-Innova ta Ramon.
Ado da na
tapay grupo da.
785 kami amin tanga ti Innova.
Team Innova Club Philippines kana di group da.
Ana nga miyembro tahana mo makapag-meet. Makimit kanya da. Ngarod as requested ni manang ko tatay nga Regina Velarde Seriales de la Cruz iti Villa Beltran Ramon Isabela iti kaya nakanunga sunatang may paay kanya na kabayatan ti panagdengdengag nakadakadakan panaglaala ko naman kadagadi produkto na dati sonata idi ubing kami pailaeng nga simikat. Sound of the 70s from Junior dating Ruden ate.
Nagadayo yung title na yan.
You afloat in the lost world of dreams, a mystical maker of schemes, emotionally on my dreams. Me, no more than a grain of sand, and lost on the beach of your land, unable to understand. When you're near, loses its hold, and loneliness steals at my soul. But what goes on inside your mind? And while I know that fantasy drives us mad, it really can be so bad. So let it take me one more time. The chances are so very few. Excuse me for the strange things I do. I'm drowning in the oceans of you. And loneliness steals at my soul. But what goes on inside your mind? And while I know that fantasy drives us mad, it really can be so bad. So let it take me one more time.
That's it. A song from Junior entitled Excuse Me. Talaga mo po. So nga na mga apakanyam, at lang nga po tikanta Excuse Me. Kunong lang. Okay, idol pa shout out mama dagijay taga Claveria, Sadanggil and Viloria family watching from Taiwan. Thank you so much mga idol. Wow. And Jennifer Reese is watching. Thank you so much. Ako makapa-in love data sunat lang akasta dali talaga nga naka-ulimak nagmay ang kansyonan. Saan naman tinabali mo isungbat dito balong before you read the message kay ko mga sungbatan dati may samul laeng makapa-carried away nga sunata.
Tsaka mo, good PMFDD, greet ko nga po ang aking sarili na walang sawang nakikinig sa nakakalibang ninyong programa. It's me, Melinda Faro, your avid listener ng Wigan Cordon.
Talaga mo.
Kita mo ta. Sir, pakablao mandagiti anak ko, Dad Joji, Rian, ken John J. Ryan, Tigulak Difun Kirino. Naimbag nga malam yun dito manong po shoutout man ti family Manuel ken family Bakwad dito Planas Ramon Isabela ken pares manong J. Halsema. Thanks.
Actually, itry mi man apo nga i-divert iti foreign song dito may kalunga paset tapno adaman pagbaliwan na. Ito talang nga po nga Domingo. Kwet ko na. Hello kuya, pabati namin nga. Pabati amin nga ka FDD Hong Kong chapter ken pabati ken tay kakaiso ng anak ko ni Jewel Don nga ag-birthday tun bigat. Happy 13th birthday anak. Okay, greetings coming from Cecil Bangoyna of Pocha if lives in Manila. Kuna naman dito profile na ni which is in
Hong
Kong right now as of this moment. And John Mark will give you maybe Biking.
Wala akong lyrics niya. No?
Okay, you try to search on your
pakablawan mga kuya ni Shaq. Ano niaglala ko dito Cordon Palengke, Venus. Ato yung mga kuya. Pakasyon matay na lawa kanal. Thank you.
Okay, check naman biro iti lyrics mo, maybe King.
Lyrics. Lyrics.
Gorka, ayan. Is this? Naman?
Tamaw, kitanta. Buntog mat.
Imalaking ka, datay.
Good afternoon from Hong Kong, from Auntie Josie Escobar.
And uray ka, request ni Tita Patring, Tita Pat.
Kanaman ni Aida Clinton, pasyatan man dagiti Dabarkads jay kuya po. Nueva Ecija.
Okay, kompleto na? So
Siguro.
here's an OPM from John Marquez. Open up? OPM?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, lato na po. Baliwan taman iti mood. Medyo kanta ti... Adi. Ay, salsalumina. Paset.
Testing. Spaglang yung tigimak. There I was, waiting for a chance, hoping that you'll understand the things I wanna say. As my love is stronger than before, I wanna see you more and more, but you close the door. Why don't you try to open up your heart? I won't take so much of your time. Maybe it's wrong to say please love me too, 'cause I know you never do. Somebody else is waiting there inside for you. Maybe it's wrong to love you more each day, 'cause I know she's here to stay. But I know to whom you should belong.
I'm still wondering.
I believe what you said to me. We should set each other free. That's how you want it to be. As my love stronger than before, I wanna see you more and more, but you close the door. Why don't you try to open up your heart? I won't take so much of your time. Maybe it's wrong to say please love me too, 'cause I know you never do. Somebody else is waiting there inside for you. Maybe it's wrong to love you more each day, 'cause I know it's here to stay. But my love is strong. I don't know if this is wrong, but I know to whom you should belong.
Hello, Ding Maya.
Maybe it's wrong to say please love me too, 'cause I know you never do. Somebody else is waiting there inside for you. Maybe it's wrong to love you more each day, 'cause I know she's here to stay. But my love is strong. I don't know if this is wrong, but I know to whom you should belong. Kasi
Baga ito tarong mo, hindi may isang kawan dito. Okay, with that, nangipatulod ako ni ating Ella Banaldero of Hong Kong. It is 6,978 nga puso. Talaga nga puso nga puso. Nakapupi niyan anay na nga talaga mat together with Kabsat Josie. Ayan. Punag ragsa ta di Hong Kong already dito balay nga kunana ni ating Ella ang nakarawari tata. And anyway, na sigurado nyo apong ano iti ka damit tagat at ati day of you alam mga lalaki Idino, inyal alanda kami tite, kitas awang kayong tumat. That will be very frustrating. Ayan. So, once again, nagyamang kami kada kiti FTDHK for adyo tilat apo likodan mi nga mang puy-puyot kada kami. Isuda da kiti wind beneath our wings. Sa Jiramon lang, ayan. Kablaw kon kabsat, Jeffrey. Ken kabsat Jeneline nagragsak nga pa nagdidingag kada kayo kakabsat from Jonathan Totanes. Wow! Maybe. Ano natin alam Hello para ko sa Mini 7 inches batch John Mark from Jenny Santiago. Love it. Maybe talaga half. Tapos ka sticker nga 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sa nga da puso-puso na di mataan na. Matela. Ora ni Nanay Venus Vivi Mindaros talong sticker. Wan, sabi ko mata kanay ka nga makasagrap ading Venus iti wifi nga free ano kanay ka nga makabuya kada kami. Nududumang kami kasarsaragak tinaga mo dita. Awam mo makita.
Ado kano ti puso na ni. Hahaha ate Jose ado ti pusok kano na ti.
So nga ron nga bagak na tayo nga nangit patulog ti 6,480 to nga puso.
Sige, ganaw ni Maynard Rodriguez. Sir, pa-shoutout man kin ni Christy Cabrera from Ilocos Sur. Agding nagtata. Thank you. Mga idol guys ko man jay Victoria. Watching from Taiwan. From Benjo Sadangil Jr. Watching from Bahrain, hello po sa family ko dyan sa Pangasinan Maduro family from Bing Rammer. Ilocano song please, watching here in Singapore from Angelina Yatar.
Yes, we're done with the Ilocano portion. Ket padasan mi apong Ilocano met iti gan na at
here's something from Mariel Carpus. She says good PMFDD watching from South Korea. Aring JM ken kuya para kas may don't call me baby. Salamat. More power and God bless.
Don't call me baby nga talaga?
One. Mga ibati ka mo ta ading Ella ti puso.
So, inibos na.
Kung naman ni Ate Maya, hello. Manong Ken Jem, naranak tayo kanta nga, i-request ko.
Anak ano?
Baka Jem maybe.
Okay nga ron, may sabi apong sonata apong hikayami, dato touch and go, di ka muna napintas ti panaka-areglo na dahi tata dito.
Siyak man matiman ni Poso, ni Kuya RJ.
Okay, may sa apong pinugtuan, iti pamayantaman. Pugtuan, dagi din naka-online, so kita ang datatata. No, sino ti mo na nga makapuglo katawada. And
pagkamsamot atan.
Imbag ti pa
wen imbagam
hangarudan imbag gam ti pa ulonan anyway hanlatan wen okay ngarod tano agbaliw mati sonata padasin ta mati kumanta iti sonata kay dedikada 70.
Nobody said life is always fair. Sometimes it clips your wings while you're in midair. But there's a thread between your life and mine, and when you're losing hope, this rope won't unwind. Hold on tight, 'cause life is touch and go. It's sink and swing. But never doubt if you're out on the limb. I'll get the call to break your fall. I'll never leave you even when life is touch and go or hit and run. We'll never break if we take it as one. I'm here to stay. I pray you know I'll never touch and go.
Someday you'll find there's nothing in the night that wasn't there before. You turn out the lights straight from your mind. This man's beneath your bed. The voices in the heart, they're all in your head.
Hold on tight, 'cause life is touch and go. It's sink and swing. But never doubt if you're out on the limb. I'll get the call to break your fall. I'll never leave you even when life is touch and go or hit and run. We'll never break if we take it as one. I'm here to stay. I pray you know I'll never touch and go. Okay,
kaya mapahit.
Tapi ata.
Kaya.
When you feel lost, you're only spun around, tumbled and tossed, but never run around. Life is a town full of strangers at best. I'll help you home, God help the rest. Hold on tight, 'cause life is touch and go. It's sink and swim, but never doubt if you're out on the limb. I'll get the call to break your fall. I'll never leave you even when life is touch and go or hit and run. We'll never break if we take it as one. I'm here to stay. I pray you know I'll never touch and go. Life is touch and go. It's sink or swim, but never doubt if you're out on the limb. I'll get the call. I pray you know I'll never touch and go.
Mano, iti makamu kada itanga sonata apo. Touch and Go by Rupert Holmes. Di kimanta iti I come back this morning to where I
Terminal?
first. Yes, Rupert Holmes. Apo nga iti kanasawan na. Dapat kumagat. No, once nga nasagid mo, hamo pong panawanan iti may sangabanan.
The request that it said, I love you, but I lied. Man.
Said I love you, but
Thanks
I
watching
lied.
from Dubai.
Said
I love you, but I lied. From Michael Bolton. Bolton Michael. Aja man, guitar man request ko man.
Sige, request.
Request ko.
Apo mayat sa dagi tamang ada siguro iti kaya mo nga pangibagaan na ya bagaman na
kita ti amo waya nga kita ti kan kansyon ta dito ni Big Brothers Grill idi.
Super makapalagip dagi ito yung piyesa mi iti is the song of us 70s. Isong orod nga kahit kung
4 decade garod.
4 decade 70s up to the present. So as you requested, here's something from our very makapakwang grupo. Ay talaga mga
sinanagan na
paturugon na ka ni David Gates together with his fellows. Ijay grupo nga Bread, the song called Guitar Man for those who can play guitar.
Who draws the clouds and plays so loud, baby, it's the guitar man. Who's gonna steal the show, you know, baby, it's the guitar man. He can make you laugh, he can make you cry. He will bring you down, then he'll get you high. Something keeps him going, miles and miles a day, to find another place to play. Night after night he'll treat you right, baby, it's the guitar man. Who's on the radio, you go listen to the guitar man. Then he comes to town and he sees his face, and you think you might like to take his place. Something keeps him drifting miles and miles away, searching for the songs to play. Then you listen to the music and you like to sing along. You want to get the meaning out of each and every song. Then you find yourself a message and some words to call your own and take them home. He can make you love, he can get you high. He will bring you down, then he'll make you cry. Something keeps him moving, but no one seems to know what it is that makes him go. Then the lights begin to flicker and the sound is getting dim. The voice began to falter and the crowd is getting thin. But he never seems to notice, he's just got to find another place to play.
Talaga siya dito ya. One friend man balong. Sagot ko kini manong ko Mildred. Yan ti Esther Kaliboso ka no. One friend.
Fade away.
From Dunhill ba yun?
Got to play. Fade away. Got to play. Okay, Kat, berukan ta pa, data one friend, tadi kamu tinaka-ipurwa ka na, data files na dita.
Baka jente files mo.
Okay, sige nga Rod, Kat, manang, ano, kaspalikan tamo berukan.
Dyan yun.
Okay, para kini.
Maji, Ante Mildred, gano.
So nga Rod, sino ka di kakabsaan na gana ni?
Ante Esther, Kaliboso siguro.
Nagan nga Rod, kabsaan na nga pangididikaran na. Po siya ka tinakabasa.
One friend man balong, sagot ko kini manang ko Mildred. Esther, hihi. Ano naman?
Sino tayo pagisagutan ng Rod? Manong ko kuna na?
Manang ko.
Mildred kuna na?
Mildred. Tapos close in open parenthesis, Esther.
Sino tayo? Sino nagdedekar?
Na-review na si Phoebe.
Ay, kung ano
kita,
kung ano ni Manang Esther mismo tayo nagdedekar. Okay nga Rod, para kaligit so amin na po nga dati kakaisuna nga nababati nga gayam na dito lubong. Sa umon tapi may sa laki di mo ten ngam ko na di ko sanata no dalang ti mabalin nga agbati nga may sa nga gayam ko kat si kadayayan ko na but iti lubong nga po nga mabalin nga may sa itigayam mo dapat adu itigayam mo oray no plastic da oray no silopin kas dayan na ba amon basta adu gagayam mo dapat importante no handa ka kaya nga pakikadwaan sikan ti makikadwa.
I always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. I always felt that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but we always saw it through. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you.
Sometimes the world was on our side. Sometimes it wasn't fair. Sometimes you gave us a helping hand. Sometimes we didn't care. 'Cause when we were together, it made a dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, and helps keeps me together and believes me inside out.
That I could move a mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, and helps keep me together, and believes without a doubt that I could move a mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. 'Cause when we were together, it made the dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I want it to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, and helps keep me together, and believes without a doubt that I could move a mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you.
Okay, from Dan Sales and Gold, one friend, good PM, mga idol. Nabusan ako ng load, kung na iso nga maulawak Mildred man, ulit, kung na nga ulit, apo to, may kaalunok nga pagkakataonan. So nga, antuno next Sunday latan, kabsata.
Dabi nag-request ito niyo?
So nga, oray na po to, napanak nag-load. Greet ko man natin anak ko nga ni Hyder, nga madi maibaon, mapan ag-load, ken ni June Costales. Okay, sir, ni Violi Ablanda ito, ito Department of Health, National Office, Parañaque, Metro Manila. Apo kita man laang ni Kabsa Violi, nakaada yun. Kung ano tala ang munisipyo, ayan na. Okay, as requested, anak ko na dito.
Count on you. Tapos sirok ti pandiling.
Okay, manulaangan na po kanito. Kat malpas manan iti programa mi.
Favorite da kano, di sirok ti pandiling.
Oo nga rod. Sino nag-request ito sirok ti
Maynard
pandiling?
Rodriguez. Para kasi man sirok pandiling sir, favorite may ken Christian Cabrera Gamin. Thank you, ti Adda.
Okay nga rod. Nag-request ti Count on You, iti kantaman ti Kundaway. Ta siyempre, dito itan iti parte iti panagparilak ng ganda nga sonata.
Guwapo ah.
Aya.
When I think like the words come and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears on a road. We've been so far, we've sworn at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone, some have left me alone, but I started this waltz before, and they made me blue. All alone in my heart I've known there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you, count on you to be there. No questions in the air, no asking why or when, no looking back. Count on you every time. and you'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. If I have to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere would do, long as it's close to you.
Oh my God. Kita ang sulti ka doon sa mga bak.
Ay,
Kita
inanay Venus niya na doon. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51.
para kini Mr. Caspilian.
Count on you to be there, no questions in the air, no asking why or when, no looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind, and you'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. Now, oh now, I've traveled so far, yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, as the years roll by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you.
Let me hear your version.
I love you so much. Somewhere back in time, you became a friend of mine. And day by day we've grown a little closer. You're my spirit to be strong, a friend when things go wrong. So I've written down these words to let you know. Love's grown deep, deep into the heart of me. You become a part of me. Let's plant the seed and watch it grow. Love's grown deep, deep into the heart of me. You become a part of me. As we travel down the road, side by side we share the load. Hand in hand, we'll see each other through. Though we've only just begun, let's count the blessings one by one. I thank God for life, I thank God for you. Love's grown deep, deep into the heart of me. You become a part of me. Let's plant the seed and watch it grow. Love's grown deep, deep into the heart of me. You become a part of me. Woo. As the seasons slipped away, forever lovers we will stay, together do or die, with all our hearts. Love's grown deep, deep into the heart of me. You become a part of me. Let's plant the seed and watch it grow. Love's grown deep, deep into the heart of me. You become a part of me. Ooh. La 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 la. Oh. La 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 la. Wah. Ah, la la la. Oh. La 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 la. Wah.
Okay, ngarta mo. Nalapit natin timodi nga Sonata Miket. Thank you so much for being with us. And this has been your Manong June together with John Mark. Apo, until next Sunday, kit ko namin tumanan. Adda kami manon ko namin tumanan. Go ahead.
Napana, nagpasiyar, ijay downtown. Adda na sabat ko ang balasang.
Huwag naman naman ang Esther.
Kinidayak itikan nigid, imisem nakasamsamti. Victoria tinagan ko, kinunana. Inaran ko ni Victoria itinabayag. No pa'y kasta, tibanag na inanusak. Ketenteng ti aldaw, nabalaos itiragsak ko. Ni Victoria enaklon nantoy ayat ko. When naganas tunggal aldaw nga aglabas, tunggal Adda ni Victoria iti denak. Ngem malas ti amin amalas, inangaunak ni gasa. Ididinteng ti maysa ang pasamak. Idi na pana nagpasyar ijay balayda. Nitatang na ti inak nakasarita.
Ay baro pasinsiyaan, daawanin ni Victorian. Intaray daytay adik KARRUBA.
Okay, iti mauding paset. Kat kablawan taman ni Manang Esther. Ni iti asubsubaybayan tanga istorya ti biyag na. Anyang atan, ti mapasama ka na po tatamdamatan na karaing manan, maka istorya man isunan.
Tama na na eh. Masakit, tinakem ko, itinapasamak.
Apay?
Ket napanak, naginom iti arak. Tigasat ko sinang sangitak, taawanen ti liw-liwak ni Victoria. Ket awanen iti tendak. Sige, tiro.
Okay, itim o di nga sunatan mo. May payakin ni Manang Esther. Manang Esther.
Malaglagi mo na kasi nga sunata.
At awan. Si Adda.
Awan.
Mana guys?
Madone ishiringa ataru heyawa itsumo anata no niyoi ga suru wa hitori kurase wa umoi dasu kara kabe no kitsumo nakushita mama oide yuko wa ayo sugunaeba wakare ni naru kedo konna onna demo wasurunai denne nangatomaten yasagi shugita no anata kodome mitai na anata asuwata ni indoshini naru keredo.
Okay, subaybayan niyo ang KARRUBA iti biyaga ng Mildred. Ayan, as written by Manang Esther sa Facebook wall na. Burukan niya lang, Esther Calibuzo, and you'll find a lot of things about life struggles.
No kerewa anata no koto sukushita bakomo ikaimen ni shite kako ni shibarare kurasu koto yuri watashi yuri mo kawaii to sagasu koto yo
So, kaatoyo ko na naman.
ayo tsugunaeba omoni ni naru kara kono machi o hanare kurashite iru wa osake nomu nomu hitori yume o miru nomu hitori asuwata anindoshini naru keredo ayo tsugunaeba wakare ni naru kedo konna onna demo wasurenai denne yashashi sugita no anata kodomo mitai na anata asuwata anindoshini naru keredo.
Okay, antabayan niyo po next week in this channel malayang po 97.7 Sweet Radio, Santiago City, nagsamit. Adda kami Manen with yours truly, Manu Jun Serial sa
Takita rin Jan Mark Pastaura.
Ayan, saying goodbye and God bless everyone.